I welcome you all in my new video. So in this video I am going to discuss about what I did yesterday in the Sensex expiry. Basically Sensex expiry में मैंने क्या trade लिए थे and what all kind of chart readings I have done. I wanted to show it to you, like how exactly I am trading based on how markets. Now I have shared as I do intraday trades only nowadays, and no overnight positions, so I take trades accordingly. So I'll try to share my logic here, how exactly I am doing it. So let's start the video. So here I'll start it. So see here, when the market opened, so we can see here around 9:15, 14th of June, Sensex opened around 77,000 at 77,000 levels. तो 77,000 लेवल्स पे मार्केट ओपन हुआ एंड देन व्हाट वी सी, वी गॉट अ वेरी बिग रेड कैंडल्स हियर. सो व्हाट आई डू, बेसिकली आई डोंट स्टार्ट ट्रेडिंग इमीडिएटली वंस द मार्केट ओपन्स. मैंने पहले भी अपने वीडियोस में बताया है कि एग्जैक्टली आफ्टर द मार्केट ओपन्स आई डोंट स्टार्ट ट्रेडिंग. आई विल टेक सम टाइम एंड देन आई विल स्टार्ट माई ट्रेडिंग. सो व्हाट हैपेंड हियर, द मार्केट ओपन एंड आफ्टर दैट you can see we got some kind of red. So here still market was not clear कि सेंसेक्स में कैसा होगा, because I wanted to take intraday trade, so I wanted to wait and watch for some time till I get some confirmation. तो ये जो कैंडल है यहाँ पर देखिए, रेड कैंडल यहाँ पर फॉर्मेशन, तो स्टिल आई वॉज नॉट क्लियर यहाँ पर क्या होगा. आफ्टर दिस रेड वन आई गॉट अ गुड कैंडल ओवर हियर, यहाँ पर 9:30 9:45. सो आप देखिए यहाँ पर इसका जो पॉइंट था यहाँ पर, दिस वन, if I take at this level, this is something 76 540 levels. If I take this one, so this was something I got like मार्केट और सेंसेक्स हैव नॉट ब्रोकन दिस लेवल. 76,500 का लेवल जो है वो ब्रेक नहीं हुआ है. तो मैं अपने वेरीफाइड पीएनएल में भी आपको शो करती हूँ. आई शो इट इन माई वेरीफाइड पीएनएल एग्जैक्टली द स्ट्राइक्स, एंड आई शेयर माई वेरीफाइड पीएनएल्स most often on Twitter, so you can go and visit there. Every day almost I'm sharing my verified PNL. तो मैंने पहले ही बोला था, the people who are sharing verified PNL, you just need to trust those people. I don't know about others are making or earning or making any profit or not, but at least you can trust those people who are sharing the verified PNL, because market में already many scams are going on. People show something, some profits are there, they will do it this and that, I profit. But if they are not sharing verified PNL, अगर वो verified PNL share नहीं कर रहे हैं, then you can trust them. So that's why I'm sharing my verified. तो आप सेंसेक्स में देख सकते हो. So this was my verified PNL. ये मैंने कम्युनिटी पोस्ट में भी डाला है यूट्यूब के, आप वहाँ से भी चेक कर सकते हो, या आप मेरा ट्विटर प्रोफाइल विजिट कर सकते हो. तो देखिए ये जो आप स्ट्राइक देख रहे हो 76,500, बेस्ड ऑन दैट मैंने पहला स्ट्राइक वहाँ पर कर दिया. यहाँ पर मैंने पहले स्ट्राइक को एग्जीक्यूट किया. अब उसके बाद क्या हुआ देखो, उसके बाद द मार्केट स्टार्टेड मूविंग अप फ्रॉम दिस लेवल. सो वी गॉट क्वाइट सॉलिड बुलिश कैंडल्स ओवर हियर. So what I did was I tried to short, as an option seller I tried to short more puts at this level. This was my kind of stop loss. तो इसको मैंने एज ए स्टॉप लॉस लिया, और इसके ऊपर जो हो सकता है वो सारे स्ट्राइक्स मैंने किए. सो वंस इट क्रॉस 76,700 600, so you can go and check my verified PNL, all the strikes. I'm not going to discuss over here, but you can check over here like what were the strikes. So यहाँ पर मैंने ये स्ट्राइक्स किए. आफ्टर दैट इफ़ यू सी, ऐसे डेफिनेटली वी वर नॉट गेटिंग सो मैनी काइंड ऑफ एनी जो सेलिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन, जैसे मार्केट यहाँ से नीचे आ सकता है, ऐसा कोई भी ट्रेंड अभी तक नहीं फॉर्म हो रहा था. सो व्हाट आई डिड, टेकिंग दिस एज माई स्टॉप लॉस, यहाँ पर जो लेवल आप देख रहे हो 77,000, टेकिंग दिस एज माई स्टॉप लॉस ऑन द टॉप, आई ट्राइड टू शॉर्ट कॉल एज वेल. So taking this as I have tried to short call, this you can see in my verified PNL what kind of calls I have shorted, you will able to understand. But here I am sharing only my chart readings, what exactly I have done based on the chart, how I have traded intraday. So what happened is that from this level, taking this as my stop loss, I have traded all the strikes for 77,000 and above. And if market has not crossed here in this level 900 also, I have shorted with a particular stop loss. So how I was doing from this to this level, almost you can say till 135, it was almost, I would say, market Sensex was quite good, because if we take this as a stop loss, or if you have taken some shorted some more puts, means long also. So few buying also I have done here. So here you can say, I'll just try to remove all this. So if you say this one, यहाँ पर इस लेवल पे, so when we I got this green candle, solid green candle, followed by other one, so I have done some kind of buying also at this area, but buying with a target, I have already exited the buying. So in that buying also I got some amount. So that's what I have posted on Twitter also. Few have asked that ये buying का है या selling का, so it is a mix of buying and selling both. So after that what happened is that in this almost market was in range, so my puts and calls both were in profit, means जो भी मैंने short किया था put and call both were in profits. And after that, after 130, after 210, so I started trailing my profits. So I mostly I have said this earlier also in my videos and in my Twitter timeline as well, that I try to trail my profits as well. So I try to trail actually the stop loss. So the stop loss for the same will be trailed, and I try to book profit as and when there is I get that opportunity. So after this, after 230 from this level, I have almost exited most of my position. So I don't have any position. So after that, whatever happens in the market, I don't bother about it. So this is how I have traded this Sensex. And again I would like to say, just try to learn from those people who are sharing their verified PNL, because there are a lot of scams going on, and don't blindly trust on people. आप उन पे trust नहीं कर सकते जो अपना verified PNL नहीं डालते और सिर्फ एक screenshot डाल देते हैं कि they are earning this amount, that amount. Any amount is possible if they can show the actual verified PNL from the broker, either from Sensible also, that's a verified PNL. So if they can show it, then only try to believe them, try to learn from them. क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं है, लर्निंग के लिए आपके पास बहुत सारे सोर्सेस हैं, आपको बस आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि where you want to learn from. So I have tried to explain all this, and if you want more videos like this every day after expiry, so please do comment in the comment section below, so that I can create more videos like this. If I get your comments, I will know that yes, you want this kind of videos. So thank you everyone, and see you again in my new video. Thank you.